Alisa. Where's Alisa? Alisa, would you like to get one first? Get one. I would not, no more. Okay, music please. Ready? 1, 2, 3, shout happy birthday, Alisa. Go! Music please, come on. Come on, leave the area. Okay? So that we'll give chances to others. Next! We have 2 more. For those of you who already got the gift, take your seats. So that we'll, we haven't gotten any gift. Nobody should stay on stage. Nandiyan na kayo sa baba. Alright. Lovely. Lovely. Bongga. Ayan. And our last pabitin. Kami o. Palakpakan naman yung mga nakakuha ng gifts. Come on. Come on. Celebrant. Okay, as she burst the balloon, everyone shout, happy birthday, Alisa. Ready? Alright, ready? Photographer, please, on stage. Line up, kids. Line up, kids, for the Magical Fountain Show invitation ticket. Of course, that's for the birthday party celebration of Alisa Bernadette here at the Manila Ocean Hall. Alright. Sir, courtesy of Tino Bernie. Palakpakan naman natin si Sir Bernie. Wow, that's very nice. Magical show.
This is for the fountain show. This is for the dancing fountain show. Ngayong 6:30. Yeah. Meron tayong lugar na naka-assign doon for 50 guests ni Alisa. May talagang specific lugar na naka-assign para sa ticket natin.
Okay. Ayan, pila na po tayo. Come on. You have to show your ticket for you to be able to receive. Number 1. Ay, palakpakan naman. What you say?
Namin. So you have to share the other number para naman makapasok. Ay, dalawa na. Ay.
Ate, dalawa na binigay mo. 1 lang. 1 lang. Lahat ba yan? Ah, okay. Share naman the number to other kids para naman makanood. Okay. Okay, go. Next. Come on. Alright, next. Number 7. Enjoy the magical fountain show. Number 8. Number 8. Very good. Yun. Number 9. Exciting magical fountain show here at the Manila. Number 9. Who's number 9? 9. Wala? Number 9. Ayun. Number 10. Very good. Number 11. Ayun, si sir. Number 11. 11. Enjoy the show. Number 12. Number 30. 30. Number 40. Number 15. Number 16. 16. 15, wala pang 15. Yeah. 15, ayan pa na 15. 15. Number 16. Number 17. 18. 19. 19. Ayan, 19. 18, 19. Ayan. This little girl, 19. 20. 20. 20. Walang 20. 21.
Number 20 first.
Number 20. Walang 20. Yun. Number 21. Yun. Number 21. Number 22. Yes, sir. Number 23. Yes, sir. 23. Congratulations for the